Hello everyone. Thank you for the opportunity that given to me. Now, I would like to present our research is material supplement based on local genius in biology learning. The introduction, the education for sustainable development is very important, especially in Indonesia. ICSD does not only offer an environmental education agenda, but also is broader to socio-cultural factors, political quality, human quality, democracy, and etc. Okay, next. The post-2000 formulated several questions about the existence of education in facing the social challenge. First, how can schools convey to students that they are important actors in social life? Second, how can schools combine the process of transfer, assessment, and application of knowledge and create appreciative, critical, and reflective attitude towards knowledge? Third, how can schools contribute to social development where rules and norms are becoming increasingly important? Fourth, how can schools create a collaborative atmosphere between the students? A starting point for realizing ESD agenda in education in Indonesia, it's necessary to systematically integrate learning material in school with the local socio-cultural context of students. Teaching material a set of subject matter that are systematically arranged so that they display complete competency that must be mastered by students during the learning process. So in Bali, the socio-cultural context of students consists of Trihitakarana and any other perspective of local wisdom and local genius aspect. Trihitakarana is the three causes of happiness in life. It consists of three components, parahayangan, kaungan, and palemahan. In practice, the Trihitakarana culture needs to be defined in simpler form, namely local wisdom and local genius. So the research question is, what is the linkage between local wisdom and local genius? How the integration of contextual learning model with values local genius Balinese in biology learning process. The method of this study use a descriptive qualitative literature review, result and discussion, linkage between local wisdom and local genius. As we see, the outer layer of the circle is knowledge and technology. The second one is local wisdom, and the core is local genius. So Echol and Siadili state that generally the local wisdom can be understood as the ideas of local that are wise, full of wisdom, good value, embedded and followed by members of the community. Sartini reveals that local genius, human wisdom that rests on the philosophy, value, ethic, method, and traditional institutionalized behavior. Local genius is a value that is considered good and true, so that it can last long time, and even become institutionalized. So this is the integration local genius in biology learning material. This is the material classification. The content is Tripramana, Penisiology. The content is Tumpak Udo, Surya Raditya and Yatnya, Ecology. The content is Kartamasa, Mimi Pertiwi Bapak Kasa. Digestive system, the content is Magibung. Excretion system, the content is Upas. Reproduction system, the content is Megedong-gedongan ceremony. Menek kelih or Rajaswala ceremony relate to gametogenesis process. In immune system, the content is Makotek tradition and Upas. In conservation material or conservation aspect, the content is Tumpak Kandang and Tumpak Wariga. And the last one is human anatomy physiology. The content is Dasendria. So integration local genius in biology learning material in taxonomy, local genius aspect in taxonomy can be classified into 3 types. First, Pravira, Janggama, and Manusa. So we call these 3 types of local genius is Tripramana. Pravira has Ekapramana, Bayu energy. Janggama, animal, has Bayu and Sabda with the ability to move and speak. Manusa, the third, created with 3 abilities, speak, move, and think. And the second one example is integration local wisdom values with contextual model related to hormonal material in plant physiology. The example is in Tumpak Wariga ceremony. Tumpak Wariga is believed as a ritual of worshipping plant, namely Lord Sankara, which fall in 25 days before Galungan days. Hindu or Balinese people carry out the ritual of injuring tree with knife or sharp weapon with the following mantra: kaki-kaki, dadong-dadong, nyanan rahina galungane mangga membuah nget-nget-nget while scratch the tree. So the kaki-kaki means grandfather and dadong-dadong means grandmother. So this show the phylogeny of evolution. And then the next one is the scratch of the tree means or trigger traumalin hormone that will support the process of maturization fruit or fruit maturization. Okay, the next one is Surya Raditya aspect or Surya Raditya content in local genius. Surya Raditya or the sun will give impact to the plant with their exposure of sunlight or sun shine. So the plant who receives the sun shine or sunlight will excitate their electron, and the excitation of electron will support photosynthesis and photophosphorylation in plants. So that's all my presentation. The conclusion is according to my description. First, local genius, part of local wisdom that exists in local community. Local genius, the values, ideas, procedure, technique of local community that are endemic and do not exist in other region, but have universal values and can be applied anywhere. Second one, the values of local genius in contextual model biology learning can be integrated to various types of topics, namely classification, taxonomy, physiology, ecology, digestive system, excretion system, reproduction system, immune system, conservation, human anatomy, physiology. So that's all my presentation. Thank you for watching.